How to connect a second PS5 controller to PS5. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to connect a second PS5 controller to a PS5. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, make sure the light bar is on the top of the controller isn't on. If it is, hold down the PS button on the center of the controller until it turns off. Then with your connected controller, go to settings, select accessories, then select general, then simply select Bluetooth accessories. Then on the other controller that you want to connect, press and hold the create button and PS button simultaneously. Then with your connected controller, select the other controller when it appears on the screen under the accessories found. So in this very simple way, you could connect a second PS5 controller to your PS5. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.